Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Piyush Agarwal and today we are going to release the results of the challenge that I had shared 3 days back. So over here, these are the results of our UiPath basic quiz. It looks like only 46% of the people were able to give correct answers. So let's see who were at the top. We have got Saloni Jaiswal at third position, Jitu at second, and the number one, ah, it's whoever he is, the smart guy. And we have got our runner-ups. Let's see. Okay, we have lost the runner-ups. Anyway, congratulations to all three of you. You are like rocked it. Now going back, we will share the answers to all of the questions. Okay, so that you can keep up understand it where the issue was. So let's go back to questions and see. First of all, my YouTube channel name is, so there were around about 13 people who misspelled my name. So basically my spelling name is Piyush Agarwal, Agar, and that's my channel name. Hope you have subscribed to this channel. Then how many studio profiles are present in UiPath? Three. We have got three profiles, normal studio, studio pro, and studio X. Then we have how many types of standard robots are present in UiPath Orchestrator. So there are 7. If you want to find out how, just go over here to the cloud.uipath.com, open your Orchestrator. Let's wait. Okay, I'm continuing with my Google account. Next, we have our Orchestrator. By the way, if you guys do know, this is the latest edition, like latest way of representation by the UiPath for the Orchestrator. Now, to check, our question was how many types of standard robots are present. So for that, I will have to go to robots, click on add robot, a standard robot, and then over here we can see the types. We have got attended RPA developer pro, citizen developer, RPA developer, attended user, testing, unattended, and non-production. These are 7 types of different standard robots that we can create. Then next question is, append range activity does not add headers with data. True. The append range activity simply adds your data without any kind of header. If the file is existing already, then it will just append data to it. If there is no file existing, then it will create a new file and add that data inside the from the data table created in UiPath without any headers. How many types of assets can be created in UiPath Orchestrator? So the answer is 4. There were some people who didn't answer anything. Some were 6, 4 were incorrect. So basically, if you want to again check the types of assets, just go over to the asset section, click on add asset, create a new asset, and where we can check the type: text, boolean, integer, and credential. Next, we have got link stands for, that is language integrated query. Guys, I have even initiated a new playlist for this link, so you can go through that playlist and understand that how link query works and why should a developer learn about link query. I believe till evening this video about link query would also be out on my channel. So one of the most interesting questions from my side was, you have subscribed to my channel? I guess there are still 13 people who have not subscribed. Please go to my channel, like, share, and subscribe it. Thank you. Now, the 8th question is, which activity used to fetch credentials from Windows Credential Manager? And it seems that it is one of the hardest questions of this. There is a 25% rate of success only for this question. So basically, get secure credential is the activity using which we access the Windows Credential Manager, and you can get this activity through UiPath.credential.activities package. And using this, it is like if you want to do some testing while development of robot, and there are some kind of credentials you want to use, it's more preferable to use this credential, secure credential activity, instead of writing your credentials in config file or somewhere else. Because if by some chance, if you publish that bot with the credentials in the config file, that creates a serious security issue, because that package gets uploaded to the orchestrator, and anyone, if he have access to the orchestrator, he can download your file on that package itself, and he will have that config file with him with your credentials available in it. So while development, do use get secure credentials. And then when you're shifting to production, you can simply, instead of using get secure credential, you can use get credentials activity to get the credential from the orchestrator. Next, we have select the type of version control plugin not used in UiPath. So the answer is GitHub. Yes. So for people who have choose Git, it must have been confusion. By default, Git is a version control system, and GitHub is a platform where we use Git for version controlling. So that's the right answer is GitHub is not a plugin used by UiPath. And the final question, how many types of recorders are available in UiPath Community Edition latest, that is the version 21? So there are like only 26% for this. 18 people have answered as 4. So that is probably because of the earlier version. Guys, if you have got the previous version installed in your system, I would suggest to just uninstall that, install the latest version with only one single app or web recorder in it. So that is the correct answer. Hope you guys enjoyed this quiz, and sooner I will be releasing another quiz that would be a little bit more harder than this one. And like according to this, the difficult questions were standard robots, fetch credentials, and types of records. Do keep up, do study, and be prepared for the next one. And congratulations, everyone. And I guess these are our runner-ups: Khushbu, Avinash, Kush, Ayush. Hope you guys like this quiz. Please like, share, subscribe my channel so that you get always all the updates with respect to latest videos. Thank you guys. See you up with the next video.